Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today I'm going to teach you how to validate your HubSpot tracking code without using any Chrome extensions or any third-party tools. This is going to be a validation of your HubSpot tracking code by just leveraging the HubSpot native tracking code validator. Check this out. So to validate the HubSpot tracking code on our website in a very easy way, we're just going to go to the right hand side over here where we have the gear icon on the top right there, and we're going to click on it. We're going to click on settings, and then on the left hand side we're going to go all the way down to account management right here, this section, and then we're going to go to tracking and analytics, and then we're going to click on tracking code. And then here in the tracking code section, we're just going to input right here below our URL. So I'm just going to paste in our URL right there, and then that's it. Our URL is valid, and then I'm just going to validate our URL right here. And right now we're just going to wait for that validation to tell us the status, and it should change in a little bit. And that's it. Now our in this case our sidekickstrategies.com website is validated, which means that the tracking code of HubSpot is successfully installed on our website, and that's pretty much it. And that's it. Now you can forget about using other third-party tools or Chrome extensions or even workarounds within your browser to validate the HubSpot tracking code. This can now be done natively within HubSpot in just a few seconds. And remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the Hub hero that your organization needs today.